So this is problem 66, chapter 2. There are two parts of this question. The first one of which is, it's an acceleration problem. So it wants us to figure out acceleration. The 2 points it gives us are a little monkey, kind of like starts pushing itself, travels 0.16 meters in that time, and then it actually launches off all the way up to 2.3 meters. It wants us to figure out what was the acceleration during this point in time. You know, those are the only 2 points it gives us. So what we use here is velocity squared f equals initial velocity squared plus 2a times by yf minus y1. What I do for this first problem is I plug in the first number here, 0.16. I want to figure out the initial point. Fortunately though, plug all these numbers in because initial velocity is 0, we know gravity is, we know it starts off at 0. If we plug all that in, we are left with velocity squared f equals 0.32a. So obviously we have two variables. You know, we don't know speed it was traveling at. We're just kind of stumped. So this is the tricky part. So what the point to remember is that this is all one continuous motion. You know? These are all one continuous motion. So where this leaves off, this number picks up at. So we start plugging in this number in the same thing. So, and by the way, it's a bit different because of gravity and all that, but yeah. So we start plugging in the same thing, only with this time. What we get is initial velocity squared equals 45.1. Now remember what I said about this all being one continuous thing. So where this leaves off, that's where this picks up. So we just plug that number into here. We get 45.1 equals 0.32a. And then we just do a quick division, and then we get approximately 141 meters per second squared, which is also approximately 14.4 Gs. Yeah, so the real tricky thing about this problem is just realizing that, like, the final velocity for this will be the initial velocity for that. As soon as you realize that, though, then it's just combine the two together.